I've got 5 things that you can do when packing your esky to make your food last longer when you're camping. So number 1 is to grab the ice packs out of the kids' lunch boxes. Throw them all in the esky, as many as you can the night before you're to pack to go. And that'll cool it down so it's nice and cool to throw your things straight from the fridge into the esky. Number 2 is to grab some water containers, water bottles, milk bottles, anything like that. Freeze them so that they are a nice hard big block of ice. That takes longer to defrost, so your esky will stay cooler for longer before you have to buy more ice. We do a mix of ice blocks and party ice, and that can last days and days. Number 3, grab yourself a shelf such as this from Kmart. That'll keep your food up out of the ice and don't get any ice burn on some of that food that doesn't like being quite as cold. And number 5 is put as much as you can into containers. Putting in containers means that it gets into the sloshy mess of ice water. It's not going to get all gross and manky. And the last thing is make sure that you get an ice box rather than an esky. So that is something that is rated highly. They are different and they keep food for much, much longer. It's important when you're in heat like in Australia that you have the right type of cooling methods to make your food stay safe to eat for as long as possible. Happy camping!